Pfizer and BioNTech, the manufacturers of one of the three authorized COVID-19 vaccines in the U.S., plan to file for full approval from the Food and Drug Administration by the end of May, as they expect the vaccine to generate about $26 billion in revenue this year. The FDA grants emergency use authorizations when the Secretary of Health and Human Services deems it appropriate for the FDA to authorize unapproved medical products or unapproved uses of approved medical products, when there are few or no alternatives. Vaccination EUA proposals must include safety data accumulated from Phase 1 and 2 studies, and, with an expectation that Phase 3 data will include follow-up information on trial subjects. The FDA can then grant an EUA when an FDA panel determines that known and potential benefits outweigh the known and potential risks. It's likely that all COVID-19 vaccine manufacturers with EUAs will go on to file for full FDA approval, because emergency use authorizations can be revoked once a public health crisis subsides. Both Pfizer and Moderna have released Phase 3 trial information for their vaccines that showed high levels of protection against COVID-19, which allow them to move forward with filing for full FDA approval. Some health experts hope that full FDA approval for COVID-19 vaccines will help lessen vaccine hesitancy in the U.S. Former U.S. Surgeon General Dr. Jerome Adams wrote in The Washington Post, "Many people who are lower risk understandably ask if the benefits justify taking a medication that has not received the full and traditional FDA stamp of approval," and wrote, "Further studies will help show skeptics that the authorized COVID vaccines are safe." The manufacturers of the COVID-19 vaccines expect vaccinated individuals will need booster shots in the years to come, and the markets agree. The European Union is working with Pfizer to have 1.8 billion vaccine doses delivered between 2021 and 2023. The United Kingdom bought 60 million Pfizer doses, and Israel secured an additional 9 million Pfizer doses for booster shots in 2022. Bourla has hypothesized people will need a booster shot between 6 and 12 months after their first vaccination regimen, and Moderna CEO Stephane Bancel said the company believes, "We are going to deal with this virus, we think, forever." Market moves indicate COVID-19 vaccine boosters are coming. Forbes, the pharma industry expects COVID-19 to be around for the long haul. Forbes, fully vaccinated? Get ready for your third dose. Forbes.